This niche is going viral on YouTube right now, getting millions of views. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create such videos. So let's check if the channel is actually monetized, and paste the link of the channel and check it is monetized. So if these videos are getting millions of views, then let's create such videos. So to create such a video, first head over to any YouTube video downloader. So search on Google, then paste the link of the video you like and you'd like to replicate, then download the video. Head over to Google AI Studios. Google AI Studios, you want to click on Playground, then Featured, then Google Pro Preview. This allows you to upload an image. Then paste this prompt. It's in the description. This will allow you Google Gemini Preview to analyze the video. Then tell it to create similar prompts for such a video. Then copy the first prompt and head over to Grok AI. Now at Grok AI, you'll paste the first prompt. Once the video is created, if you don't like the video, you can create another one. If you still don't like the video, you can create another one, and I think this is much better. So I copy the second prompt, paste it onto Grok AI, and these are the results. Then I wanted to see what Grok can do, so I create another video. This is my second one. Let me see how the third one can appear. So I download the second one, then paste all the prompts into a Google Doc for easy reference. Copy the third prompt, then paste it onto Grok AI. That's the video it gave me. Wasn't so pleased, so I clicked on Grok AI to create another video. And another one. I kinda like this one, so let's download it. Copy the fourth prompt, paste it onto Grok AI. It's kind of a message saying thank you for watching the video. So I download it, then paste all my videos that I've downloaded into CapCut. So let me show you what I got in the end.
And that brings us to the end. Thanks for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon. Sweet dreams.
And here's a pro tip when uploading a video onto YouTube. You need to ask Google AI Studio because it knows the video you've created. You need to just ask it to give you SEO-friendly video tags that you can paste when you are uploading a video. This will help the algorithm push your video to the right audience. Once that is done, you'll get millions upon millions of views. Grab all the SEO-friendly tags from the description of the video